Well, ladies and gentlemen, we got our care package from Bosnianbill today, and we're starting off with this lock. This is the low-hanging fruit. It's a guard lock. It's a number 836, 50 millimeters, hardened shackle. It kind of has the appearance of an Abus knockoff. There's the keyway. Looks like something like an Abus. It looks pretty close, actually. Here's the key with the bitting. As you can see, the bitting doesn't look particularly terrifying, so we're going to try and rake it. I've raked it a few times. It's open, and I've single pin picked it. I've had guard locks before, and guard locks have never been really very impressive. This one looked like it was going to be impressive. It's heavy, it's solid brass. I mean, it looks like it should be a pretty good lock. It's not. So we're going to try and rake it today. You know, when I say I go to pick the low-hanging fruit first, someone asked me one time, how do you know what's the low-hanging fruit? Well, for me, it's always the bitting. When I see the bitting on the key, if it looks fairly straight and level, that to me is a good indication that we got a lock that, first of all, can be raked. Second of all, it looks like it should be a pretty good pick. See, this works okay. The liquid, if you see it there, is the secret sauce I just hit it up with. I, by the way, have the real secret sauce, Marvel Oil. I don't even think you can buy this stuff anymore. Wonderful, wonderful stuff. And it's red. I don't know why, but it's red. So we've got our Peterson pry bar. Peterson pry bar going in. I'm going to put the rake in first, all the way to the back. Peterson pry bar up. Okay, we can get a view of everything. Let's see if I can get this sucker open. I think with this particular lock, it's a little bit better to go on like a 40-degree angle with the back point of the rake pointing up. And give it a little angle and get a little tighter too. And get a little bit of an angle on it, because in the bitting the only pronounced cut is in the back. I had it there. You know, a lot of times I would have these things and then just miss the instant. There it is. Ta-da! Guard padlock, raked. With Capiche's Bogota. I love that Bogota Capiche. And thank you, Bosnianbill, for the lock. Guys, have fun, keep it safe, and for God's sake, keep it legal.